The Fantom ecosystem has seen exponential growth in these last few months, and it doesn't look like it's going to be stopping anytime soon. All of this momentum is mainly triggered by the massive number of projects which are launching in this particular ecosystem. And while many of these projects have ported from other chains, it is the native Fantom projects which are showing their true power and true potential. And did you know, for example, that a recent launch of a Fantom native token on the 6th of October, not that long ago, pumped the price of FTM by 36%, and it's been rising ever since. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high, and so we fully expect great altcoins like FTM to really just be getting started. The TVL, or total value locked of Fantom projects, is currently sitting at $4.58 billion. It seems to be lower than some other DeFi dApps in Ethereum, for example, Curve or Aave, but just look at the growth trajectory. Fantom DeFi has exploded, and the TVL numbers are only going to increase. Fantom has certainly started consolidating, and so it's up to these ecosystem projects now to carry the blockchain forward. And the question that many of us have on our mind, and very naturally, is which project is going to make it? Which one makes the most sense? And which one presents the most practical business case and real-world use case furthermore? Some of these projects have launched and some are still in the very early stages, but these are definitely projects that are going to become pioneers in the Fantom ecosystem. Hey guys, my name is Maddie and we are Altcoin Buzz, a crypto investing research company. We've been in the crypto space for several years now, and we're very proud to say that we've been making millionaires since 2017. And not by accident either. It's all because we've been early investors in successful projects like Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, Crypto.com, Engine, Matic Network, Chiliz, Quant Network, Polkadot, Uniswap, and many, many other 100x initiatives. Nothing in this space is guaranteed, but if you don't want to miss out on the next potential altcoin gem, then I'd recommend you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz. Also hit the bell to receive notifications because obviously information in this space can be very time sensitive, and by clicking the bell, you are alerted by YouTube every time we publish new content. Quick disclaimer, there are no investments in this world, whether crypto or otherwise, that are guaranteed 100%. There's always corresponding risk associated with investment, again, any kind of investment, and as such, please remember this video does not represent financial or investment advice. But with that being said, let's now take a look at the top 5 projects that we're most excited about in the Fantom ecosystem. So before we cover our shortlisted projects, let's quickly take just a bird's eye overview of the Fantom ecosystem. It is a scalable and decentralized smart contract platform, and it's a direct competitor to top blockchains like Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, and Solana, among others. It is Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM, compatible, and the two main USPs of Fantom are high speed, that's transactions which get confirmed in 1 or 2 seconds, and low cost. We're talking $0.0000001 per transactions, a fraction of a penny. Once again, taking a look at the TVL statistics, the value of the Fantom ecosystem has shot up nearly 4x in the last month. And as of today, Fantom has just about $4.58 billion in its vaults. The official Fantom portal lists about 73 dApps, decentralized applications, and those represent various categories, including DeFi, decentralized finance, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, platforms, wallets, and others. For more detailed information on the Fantom blockchain itself, please refer to this previous video. We're going to link to it in the description below. You can also click on the card, which should be popping up right about now. And just a side note, as you can see, the price performance of FTM has been very, very strong since the time we published that video. But all right, without any further ado, let's get into the top 5 projects that are currently our favorites in the Fantom ecosystem. At number 1 on our list, we are looking at FantomStarter. It aims to become the gateway to many upcoming Fantom projects. It's a launch pad with staking features and promises investor priority through a tiered structure. FantomStarter promises to expand into DeFi, NFTs, and distributed exchange listings. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is managed through Fractal protocol. Multi-Fantom Limited is the owner and operator of FantomStarter. The company raised a total of $532,000 from its seed and private fundraising rounds. And the valuation of the company is currently at $3.6 million. Notable investors include Anchor Network, Signum Capital, ZBS Capital, and others. And of particular interest to us is the multi-chain functionality. So to anybody wondering whether the Fantom ecosystem is still a niche, FantomStarter is going to be multi-chain. It will cover projects in Fantom, that's FTM, but also Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, ticker Matic, and many other EVM-compatible networks. Remember that tiered structure that I mentioned a moment ago? Well, FantomStarter has a 9-tier allocation system. Investors are going to need to either stake their FS tokens or their NFTs in their wallet. The minimum staking requirement is 10,000 FS or Minion Key NFT. Guaranteed allocation starts with staking 155,000 FS or holding a Banshee NFT. The 9th tier is reserved for the FantomStarter Ministry, which includes partners and early investors. FantomStarter NFTs have limited distribution. That's very important to note. And holding these will give certain utilities which standard FS holders will not get, and vice versa. These NFTs are going to be available in the upcoming store, which can be found on the website. As far as their upcoming IDO goes, we have some good news. You can still get in at an early stage. FantomStarter has an upcoming IDO, and luckily the whitelisting period is live from the 16th to the 24th of October. So by the time you're watching this video, the process has already started, but you still have a couple of days to act. And then the investment phase will be open from the 25th to the 27th of October. At number 2 on our list, we're discussing HyperJump. This project positions itself as GameFi DeFi. It's built on Binance Smart Chain and Fantom, and it's trying to build an ecosystem around NFTs, gaming, and a tokenomics model to benefit the community. It currently consists of an alpha game release, a yield farm, single asset staking pool with dual staking rewards, vaults, and an automated market maker. This project is maintained by a DAO of 17 dedicated members. HyperJump currently has 2 tokens on Fantom. There's Hyper Aurora, ticker Aurora, A-U-R-O-R-A. That's the primary token of HyperJump. It's deflationary in nature with a burn on every transaction. And Hyper Aurelium, ticker Ori, that's O-R-I. This is generated as yield farm rewards and can be staked to earn further revenue. The 4 main products of HyperSwap include HyperSwap, which is a DEX, a decentralized exchange, Asteroid Field, which is a yield farm, Mech Workshop, which is a staking tool, and StarVolts, a yield optimizer. HyperSwap is a popular AMM on Fantom. It has a mechanism which uses 0.05% of transaction fees to buy back Ori, O-R-I, and burn it. In Asteroid Field, users can deposit LP tokens to mine Ori, and rewards are as high as 250%, at least for certain pairs. Mech Workshop is the staking pool where you can deposit 5 Ori for 1 mech and stake it to earn more Ori and also BTC, Bitcoin, and ETH, Ethereum. StarVolts is a saving instrument that optimizes your yield earning potential automatically. You don't have to think about it. You can just lock your LPs and enjoy the highest possible rewards. And then of course, we also have to discuss HyperJump's special feature, which is Hyper Seifu. So HyperJump promises to be safe for use, something that they promote as Hyper Seifu, a term that you may remember from, previous crypto scares in the past that Changpeng Zhao and Binance were able to mitigate. So in this case, the team has fixed many vulnerabilities in other protocols, including the PancakeSwap syrup bug, and the product is audited by Certic. Okay, moving right along, and at number 3 on our list, we have GEIST. GEIST Finance is a lending and borrowing market on Fantom, and depositors can earn by providing liquidity, and borrowers can withdraw funds using over-collateralized deposits. Now, this is a very new project. It only launched on the 6th of October, but just take a look at the protocol's impact. It's pretty notable because on launch day, FTM's price increased by 36%. Then fast forward a couple of days to the 8th of October, and the GEIST Finance market size reached $10 billion. It is comfortably sitting on a TVL of 2.5 billion now, and has quickly become one of the most popular Fantom projects, seemingly overnight. GEIST Finance actually contributes right now over 50% of the total TVL of the entire Fantom DeFi ecosystem. So why GEIST? The sudden popularity of the project is really because of the three following key reasons, at least in our opinion. Number one, simplicity. GEIST is a simple lending and borrowing protocol based on the popular DeFi protocol, Aave. Reason number two is that it's community-centric. It has no governance and no VCs. Instead, it features a revenue-earning token, also sharing platform fees between token holders and liquidity providers. Over $5 million in protocol fees were also distributed to GEIST holders. And reason number three, it's backed by Fantom. So Michael Chen, the ex-CMO of the Fantom Foundation, personally offered FTM incentives for GEIST protocol stakers till the time GEIST meets requirements set by the Fantom Foundation to receive a developer grant. Let's talk about GEIST's value proposition, beginning with staking. 50% of the revenue generated through borrowing is distributed directly to users who stake GEIST. Staking has no lockup, and currently, the protocol fees are averaging over $1 million per day. The reward is as high as 216%. And as far as locking, GEIST's liquidity mining rewards are vested for 3 months, but may be claimed immediately for a 50% penalty. The penalty is then distributed to users who choose to lock GEIST for those 3 months, and the current locking rewards are as high as 1,900%. All right, moving right along, and at number 4 on our list of top Fantom projects, we're looking at Beefy Finance. Beefy has made it onto this list as a top interoperable DeFi protocol that is doing very well so far. It's a multi-chain yield optimizer platform that allows its users to earn compound interest on their crypto holdings. And the protocol includes liquidity pools, automated market making projects, and other yield farming opportunities. Shown here is Beefy Finance's TVL. Their total value locked has recently reached $1 billion. And that contribution to the growth of the Fantom ecosystem is massive. Just take a look at how steep the growth curve of Beefy Finance is here. The TVL has increased almost 60 times. That's 60x since June of 2021. And in Fantom, Beefy has a TVL of over 300 million with 73 active vaults, and the treasury has become more than 88,000 FTM. Beefy's main products are vaults, where users can stake tokens and the protocol gives yield and automatically increases their deposited token amount by compounding the deposit. And the funds are never locked because you can withdraw them anytime. So what exactly makes Beefy unique? Well, Beefy Finance is a supported partner of Trust Wallet, which is Binance's official decentralized wallet. The platform also distributes a large portion of platform revenue back to those who stake BIFI. And the Moon Vaults for yield optimization boast large APYs, huge APYs in fact, that outperform many of our yield farming competitors. And finally, rounding out our list at number 5, we're looking at Artion. Launched on the 24th of September 2021, Artion is an NFT marketplace built on Fantom. It immediately became popular because it is endorsed by Andre Cronje and also by Fantom Foundation. The platform is currently in its beta version. And here's the opportunity as we see it. Fantom already has a big NFT marketplace with over 3,000 ancestral Umans on Fantom, which sold out in hours after launch, collecting over $1 million in revenue. Other projects like Fantom Rock, Degen Apes, and Strange Brew have gained huge popularity as well. Artion, which can bring together all the famous NFTs of Fantom and has the potential to become the OpenSea of Fantom's ecosystem. For a few different reasons. It's a zero-fee platform. You can trade NFTs via auction or direct offers without any fee taken by Artion. Zero commission is also a big feature because Artion charges no commission of sales compared to a flat 2.5% fee which is charged by OpenSea. ERC 721 support exists for the beta release, and Artion will support ERC 721 fully in the future. There's an NFT bridge. Artion will be interoperable in the next release, and Artion will add a built-in version of AnySwap's Ethereum Fantom NFT bridge for interoperability with Ethereum. There's also WFTM Wrapper, which is a built-in swap station that allows users to wrap or unwrap FTM and WFTM without needing to leave the platform. And finally, along with Artion will start selling domain names very, very soon. There's not as much information about this one, but its ambitions are very, very large because, as you can imagine, even if it comes anywhere close to what OpenSea is currently doing, the potential is huge. and we really like the fee structure that currently exists. You can check out artion.io. So there it is, guys. We have high hopes in the Fantom ecosystem and in these 5 projects in particular representing it, and we wish them all the best. If you watch this video in full, it's up to you. You can take advantage of some of these tips if you so choose, but once again, none of this is financial advice. However, if you do choose to invest, we do wish you all the very best of luck. Check out these other videos, which you may like. They should be popping up right about now. As a reminder, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to receive notifications. All the best, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in the next video. Take care.